Hello everybody, how are you all? Hope everyone will be in happy mood with their families. Today also we brought something special for you. As like before, today also we will share creative and inspiring tip for crocheting. Today's video is all about ladies crochet tops. So we'll be going over some techniques to consider you to select the perfect design and color scheme for your crocheting sweaters and tops. Dear viewers, first of all, if you still not subscribe the channel, please subscribe it now. Press bell icon also. If found it helpful, don't forget to share and like the video so that your friends also can watch such type of unique and beautiful video. Crocheting a lady's top offers many benefits from personal satisfaction to practical advantages. Here are some benefits of crocheting tops. Some of them we would like to discuss with you. First and the main one is customization. You can design a crochet top of your exact style preferences, including color, fit, and pattern. Unique design. Homemade crochet tops are one of a kind, offering distinctive and personal touch that store-bought tops can't match. Perfect fit. Crocheting allows you to create a top tailored to your specific measurements, ensuring it fits perfectly. Creative expression. Crocheting offers endless creativity possibilities, allowing you to experiment with different yarns, stitches, and patterns. Sustainable fashion. Making your own crochet top reduce waste and support a more sustainable, eco-friendly approach to fashion. Cost effective. Crocheting your own top can be more affordable than buying ready-made garments, especially if you use economical yarns. Skill development. Crocheting tops allow you to hone your crochet skills from basic stitches to advanced technical like lace or cables. Therapeutic activity. Crocheting is known for its stress-relieving benefits, providing a relaxing and meditative outlet. Soft and comfortable. Crocheted tops are made with soft yarn, providing comfort and breathability for all-day wear. What style? You can create a crochet top for any occasion, from casual wear to more formal or dressy outfit. Ideal for warm weather. Crochet tops are breathable and lightweight, making them perfect for hot weather and layering in cooler months. Dear viewers, if you really love to watch this video, don't forget to share and like so that your friends also can watch such type of unique and beautiful video. Personal satisfaction. Completing a handmade crochet top brings a sense of accomplishment and pride in your work. With the happy ending today's video, hope we'll meet you in next video with another very smart and unique ideas. So keep in touch with us to watch such type of unique and beautiful videos. Thank you very much for watching. Take care. Bye bye.